Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. And for those of you who have been on my channel before, welcome back. And thank you for supporting me. Thank you for liking and subscribing and sharing my video. And I am a new YouTuber for those of you who don't know, so I appreciate the support and it helps my channel grow. So thank you. And I do appreciate all of you. Now, I like to get straight to the point, so let's get into this. I want to talk to you guys about NFTs today. That is the topic for today. Now, NFT stands for non-fungible token, and I did explain in my last video, which you guys can always take a look at. My last video was about 3 ways to make money from the metaverse. So this video is about NFTs and how to make money from NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which means a crypto asset that cannot be altered or reproduced, okay? So you can think of these tokens as the digital equivalent of artwork in a private collection. So when you get, a state of the art piece that nobody else has, something unique, that is very valuable. Artwork is very valuable. And so this is a way of having the same value, but through a digital platform. So very interesting. And I've seen quite a few articles online that have talked to people who have made thousands of dollars from selling NFTs. So there is money involved in this, and it's still fairly new. So it's a great time to get in. And I like to get you guys in on this information as early as possible because it's the best time to get into something when it's fresh, when it's early, before the masses jumps in and then things start to change. So just a little more information. Each NFT is tied to a digital asset. And so you can, have a digital asset that's tied, this NFT is tied to. And I've purchased NFTs, with basketball teams, of images of the best dunks, and there's now UFC that just came out. They're selling their own NFTs, and there's NFTs for a whole bunch of things. Artwork especially, very popular. So that is something to definitely look into and do your due diligence, as I always say. And I am not giving financial advice. I just recommend doing your due diligence and Googling or looking up whatever you can on your own so that you have a full understanding. Okay, guys? But very interesting stuff. So how can you buy an NFT? You can buy an NFT on a platform that sells them. So you can buy it through a cryptocurrency of your choice. And normally people buy cryptocurrencies through popular platforms like crypto.com or Coinbase. Those are very popular, and those are usually platforms that people use to buy cryptocurrency. And then through that cryptocurrency, you can purchase your NFT. There are also ways to purchase an NFT directly with a Canadian dollar or US dollar. I'm in Canada, so I used my credit card and I paid Canadian dollars. It was a US dollar value for that NFT. It was with it's called NBA Top Shots, and I will put that in the description box down below, by the way, so you guys can check that site out. And I was able to purchase some of my very own NBA NFTs directly from that website. So definitely take a look at that. And I was able to purchase with my credit card or my debit card, whatever. And so you can sell an NFT once you purchase it. And once you sell an NFT, the whole point is to get someone to buy that NFT from you for more value, where you're selling it at more value. So you definitely want to make money from your NFT sale. So I would never recommend buying an NFT, holding it, and then selling it back for the same value that you paid. That makes no sense. You're not making any profit. And I'm not giving financial advice, but I am just informing you that the best thing to do is to make profit from your sales, whatever it is that you're doing. investing in anything, you want to make profit. You don't want to start off where you don't want to end up where you left off. So definitely make sure whatever you're doing, you're getting a profit out of it. Okay. So um, you can sell your NFT on the platform that you purchased your NFT from to other people who are using the platform and are looking for NFTs to buy. So it's very simple and very self-explanatory. There are a lot of NFTs out there that you can take a look at. As I said, just do your due diligence, do some research, and you can purchase your very own NFT. So I gave you an example of one, topshot.com. I will have it in the description box down below. You can take a look at that website and purchase some NFTs on there. And there's others out there as well. So definitely take a look. Another way to make money from NFTs is creating your own. So there are artists out there that do artwork and they end up creating a digital copy of their art and selling it as an NFT and making money from that. And going back to my previous video about the metaverse, people are purchasing artwork and decorating their homes in the metaverse with their purchased artwork. I mean, there are levels to this. It's amazing and insane all in one, but I can honestly say I think the best time to get involved is now. So I urge you guys, please do your research, look into NFTs. If you're an artist, you can sell your art. If you're a photographer, you can sell your images as NFTs and make money from it. People are out here making thousands of dollars from this. So there is no reason to not get involved and to try at least, right? So I'm getting you guys up on the latest. So thank you. I please hope that you like, subscribe, and share this video. And I thank all of you for tuning in. So until next time, I'm Faye, and I will definitely have another video out for you guys that will be fire. Okay, so I will see you guys again. Thanks and bye.